So this is the action pack camera kit that I bought off of accessory kit that I bought off of Amazon. I'm just going to do a quick rundown. There you go. I mainly bought it for the tripod, little tripod that's in it, and the head harness and the chest harness. And as soon as I get the tripod out, oh, there it is, I will get this mounted up, and as soon as I get it set up, I'll get it mounted up, and then I'll go through the rest of this. So these are the pieces that come out of the kit. I'm going to use my camera mount and mount this together, and we'll get it up and going. So this is a glass mount. You can put it on your windshield or anything that's glass, and it has somewhat flexibility, so locking and unlocking, and the vacuum, it's got a little bit of flex, so that's one. This looks to be the head harness, which was one of the things I definitely wanted. It's like a wrist strap, which not a big deal. I got some of them. Another camera mount base. Looks like some sticky paper that I won't need right now. Double stick tape. Slide-in bracket for a mount. Looks like a pretty good handlebar mount. Another slide-in mount. Double stick tape, pretty sure. Yeah, these are for, goes into the slide-in mount, or used with the slide-in mount. You can take the double stick tape and stick them wherever you want. There's several of them. This one seems to be maybe for the wrist braces, wrist strap. It's kind of got rounded edges where the other ones are more square, but it looks like you could use it either way. Another slide-in bracket. This one looks like it's got a little more movement than the other slide-ins. Nope, just height different. I don't think it pivots. No, it don't pivot. And you got a water buoy. You can mount your camera and it floats. It's in a waterproof case. A couple extra nuts. A wrench for tightening and loosening. And float pad, I guess, that you can put double stick tape on and float your camera. I'll probably save that back. Chest harness, which is something I really wanted. And selfie stick. Yep, swivels. Got a screw that you can screw into the base. This would be handy to look into areas I can't reach easy or don't want to bend over. So, tether. And then it's got all the information: bike mount, backpack mount. So You can put that over your shoulder. So, just a basic helmet mount, how to do stuff with it. So, it's already got some cutouts. It looks like about the size of a battery for my camera, another size for my battery for my camera, and that looks like that'll fit my camera. And then we've got more cutouts for different brackets, I'm sure. Not quite sure, but looks like overall a really good case. And now I'm going to start putting it back in the position that I like it. And when I'm finished, I'll let you all see how I got it set up. Well, this is everything I have. It come with my camera, my Casso camera. The only thing that's left is a camera mount, a little tripod over here that holding the camera steady right now. This was actually a piece that I'll probably mount somewhere permanent in the shop where I can just stick my camera up there anytime I want when I'm working in the shop, have a good view. Like I said, these make a really good place to put the battery and the charger. I doubt my camera will be in here much. When I'm not using it, I always put it back in a waterproof case to give it more protection. So a lot of this will get put in places and left in places where I can just make a quick detach and go. So I'll still be piddling with it and finding out what all it's capable of and stuff. So I think it'll work out for what I need, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.